Hi guys, welcome to this session. So in this session, we'll see how you can open the TikTok ads account for advertising purposes. So as we can see, for opening a TikTok ads account, the first thing is you need to have a profile on TikTok, okay, which you can create, and then you can sign up for the TikTok ads account. Now, in order to do so, you can search for TikTok ads, and this is the official website where you can go and you can sign up over here. Now, here you have to provide your business details like your business name, website URL, then you have to provide your uh, phone number and your country specifically. At this moment, TikTok is banned in certain countries, like you will not get the option for US, India. Okay, so only countries which are available in the drop down is where we can possibly you can choose from and you can open a TikTok ads account. So once you sign up, you will have to also and then you can go ahead. You have to do a account verification, which is where you have to do a mobile number verification, OTP verification has to be done, and then the ads account gets created. So once the account is created, it will look like this. So this is the TikTok Ads Manager platform, the dashboard. Okay, that is how the ads account is going to be, from where you can start creating your campaigns, ads, all that can be done. So in the coming videos, I'll show you how we are going to create different types of campaigns in this platform. I hope this makes sense. You understand the process now, how we can sign up for a TikTok ads account.